Oh, how well it all turned out. My master now wears royal clout. He married love, a beauty bright, with castle walls and lands in sight, and coins in piles, the fields are green, the grandest life you've ever seen. But wait, don't think I'm left behind. I've got my own joys well defined.
I've got a wife, some gold, a chair. My days are sweet, my paws are fair. A cat like me, so sly and spry, has found his peace beneath the sky. So now farewell, dear friends and all. The tale is done, I've had a ball. May riches bless both near and far. A cat's goodbye beneath the stars.